4 days before the scheduled hanging of Yaqub Memon, actor Salman Khan has come out in the open for his support for the bomb blast convict. Salman took to Twitter to extend his support to Yaqub, demanding death punishment for Yaqub's brother Tiger Memon, key conspirator of the 1993 Mumbai blast case. Salman even urged Pakistan Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif to hand over Tiger Memon to India so that he can face the law for his role in the bomb blast. Salman tweeted, "Instead of Yaqub, it's Tiger who should be hanged." Shilpa Ratnam is now joining us with more details on that tweet of Salman Khan. Shilpa, we've not very often seen Salman make comments about politically sensitive issues. What has prompted this?
Well, in recent times, though he's refrained, like you rightly mentioned, from making any political statements of any sort. If you remember recently, he also commented on Gajendra Chauhan's, controversy around being the chairman of the FTII, and he said, he should step down. So in recent times, we have been seeing him make more socially aware statements, and also I would like to highlight this incident that happened during an Eid press conference when I'd asked about the firing at the Indo-Pak where border, where usually sweets are exchanged during Eid, and the question was directed to Kabir Khan by the PR person there, but Salman Khan chose to answer, and he actually commented on it, saying, people there are suffering as well, and they're just the same. So perhaps Salman has a lot to say, and as he tweeted, he also said, I was scared to tweet this for the last 3 days. I've been thinking about it, but here is a man, who's been around for a while. He's also known as a bad boy of Bollywood. So perhaps he's been told to keep a low-key profile, to just make diplomatic statements. But maybe he's decided it's time to actually speak his mind out. And as we know, there's been a lot that's being said about Yaqub Memon's death penalty. So Salman's just one of the other people who's commenting on it. Of course, his views on the fact that Tiger Memon should be brought back to India and tried are also, there's some very strong views coming in there from Salman Khan. So something that comes as an absolute shock to everyone, because we never knew about his standpoint on this issue. Absolutely not at all.
All right, Shilpa, many thanks for joining us with those details.